Driving a Bentley, feeling relaxed, totally calm, and doing what I love, which means that it feels like I've never worked a day in my life, but it's taken us 25 years to get where we are. And on this channel you get to see some of the best projects in central London in terms of high quality design and build, a lot of bespoke features as well. I can't do it myself, I do it with my teams. I never take bank loans, I never did an interest. It's all done under the banner of Sharia homes with me and my investors.
Alhamdulillah, God gave me everything. Alhamdulillah.
Everything is calm, everything is smooth. Let me show you 18 changes on this latest project and how simple property investment can be. Change number 1. The hallway staircase has now been installed. Change number 2, the sliding doors have all been prepared. Change number 3, we have an open plan kitchen and lounge and double reception. Change number 4, the garden is actually looking more like a garden and it's now being concreted and with a nice flat surface. Number 5, the party wall has now been changed and the neighbours, which is very important, are very happy. Change number 6, which is where the money is. We've created extra space on the loft, and on the first floor you can see there's a new window at the rear, and we've got an extension on the first floor as well. Change number 7, we have a sunken kitchen with all the waste running to the main drain. Change number 8, we've got a new side window from floor to ceiling. Change number 9, the staircase continues to be installed leading up to the new loft. Change number 10 is the new 4th bedroom on the first floor landing, which has now got an extension and becomes a very good double bedroom. Change number 11, in preparation for Victorian features, covings and ceiling roses have landed on site. Change number 12, the staircase leading up to the 3rd floor is being installed. Change number 13, the master bedroom is now ready with the walk-in wardrobe and the master ensuite. 14, we have got the recesses installed and positioned for the ensuite, and the wet room shower has also been installed. Change number 15, as you can see, the bespoke staircase is quite a process, but everything's under control. I wanted to show you change number 16, which is this double bedroom in the loft, which has now been painted with the first coat of a beautiful grey. Number 17, we've got the big loft room, which has also been painted in this wonderful grey, and we're now preparing the under eaves storage. Moving on to my lucky number 18, and the new shower room is all ready for the second fix installation. See you soon.
Alhamdulillah, God gave me everything.